Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. There are lots of reasons you might need to take a screenshot on your Mac. For example, when you buy something on a shopping website and want proof of your purchase, or when you're dealing with a technical support and need to show them the error message you're getting. However, unlike on Windows PCs, there is no print screen button on Mac. They are tool keyboard shortcuts that do exactly the same thing, and what's more, they allow you to customize how the screenshots are taken. So how to do it if you want to take a screenshot on your MacBook? So it's so simple. You can just press a shortcut button, and the shortcut button is you can press on the Shift button plus Command plus 5 to open the screenshot toolbar. After that, after you press that button, the toolbar will be open like this, and here you can choose if you want to capture the entire screen or the selected screen. For the example, if you choose on the selected screen, you can just resize the box, or you can choose on the entire screen here to take a screenshot. Choose on that, and you can just click on your screen like this. So your MacBook will be automatically take a screenshot on your screen on your MacBook. It's a simple, right? It will turns out like this. So here's the result of the screenshot. Let's try again. You can press the button, the shortcut button. Shift plus Command plus 5, and you can choose on the entire screen to screenshot. And so here's the screenshot. So simple, right? So that is how to take a screenshot on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.